I'm letting y'all know we have a bird in the house. Check this out, man. Like, no for real, no joke. Check this out. Whoa! Where's that? Go over there. Go get it.
Okay.
Go get it.
Little boy, come here. Little boy.
Go get it. Hurry up.
Okay. Fine. He's fine. Look, he's a boy. He's a girl. Okay, get him.
Damn, there you go. I caught your ass, nigga.
Huh? Look at.
Shush.
Let me translate that. You can't just copy Dave's name.
Little boy, where you at?
Whoa. Oh, got a bird.
Oh. He's on the thing. He's a boy.
Whoa, watch out, Aaliyah. Damn.
Seriously. Such a dick, Marty. I know this is why you guys are
Look at mom.
Whoa, where that mug at?
I'm gonna tell mom it's got a bird in it.
I ain't got no damn bird in here. Damn thing came through the chimney, son.
You know this.
Whoa, shit.
To my mama.
I'm gonna leave the door open so you can get out of here. Aaliyah, stay in the room, Aaliyah. Dude, we got a bird in the house, son.
Okay, man.
Look at that bird out of here. Why you left the door closed?
Come on, bird. Get out of here.
Go get it, Mom.
Okay.
Go get it.
No, okay. He was duck on my head. That's hurt.
Go get the bird.
I can't get a bird. Like,
Yeah.
Look.
Watch out.
Duck on my head.
Where that bird at?
Look. That one was out. Where's the bird?
It probably flew out.
He did?
Come here. Come here. Get in the house.
I'm trying to look for the bird.
Get in the house. If it went outside, it's gone. An actual bird in that motherfucker.